Alright, so let's have a look at this jetboil camping stove. So it's got a compact little system with your lid, which keeps your accessories stored inside. On the base here you have a plastic cup, plastic base, which then protects the inner ring system here and these also whilst in transit. So inside we have a base which is for your gas canister, which folds out, and that sort of acts as your base support, and also your burner here as well. So really, to get started, if you just want to clip your gas canister into the base like so, that's secure, that's not going anywhere. On the bottom here we've got the threaded system here, which goes onto your gas canister, and just thread it on carefully. Make sure not to cross thread at all, because that will really ruin it. And again, just make sure you've got access to your gas valve there nice and easily. So on this system they have indentations on the side here and on the side of the burner here as well. So when you do put it on, you do need to align that before you do anything. And that can also lock on if you wanted to, but with hot water I'd probably leave it easily removable, because the last thing you want to do is trying to jiggle that to remove it. Now inside, these actually do have indentations, marks there for your water level. An average mug, a cup, I would say is approximately about 400 millilitres. So we'll go for that, and we'll see how long this takes to boil up. That's 300, it's pretty much about 400 millilitres. So with the jetboil, you do actually need to ignite before you put your cup on top. So there are actually little neoprene little pocket there as well, also your handle, which is quite useful. So an indentation goes there, and I'm not going to lock this in, I'm going to leave it as is. So make sure your gas is up and full, and we'll see how long this takes to boil up. A really good little system, great for hiking, camping, even keeping in your car for small travel as well. Great for your obviously boiling water, making cups of tea, coffee, soups, whatever, beans, even small sort of meals there as well. But yeah, really good little system. There are actually accessories you can add on to this, a little mount there which allows you to use also a frying pan, which I've not actually tried as yet, but it's an expandable system. Look, you can see how they're doing. Starting to get some progress, a little bit of steam coming. I guess on average roughly about 3 minutes approximately, depending on your conditions outside. Again, that's roughly about sort of 400 millilitres of water. bubbling on the base. Oil. There's actually a lid on you could put on this as well to possibly speed up the boiling process. I've not tried that in terms of time wise as yet. Turn the gas off. There we are.